Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about recent geographical indications. That means geographical indications in 2025 all over India. Okay, what exactly is a geographical indication? Okay, what is the definition of GI tag? A GI tag is a sign used on products that have a specific geographical origin and possesses qualities or a reputation that are due to that origin. Okay, that means GI products specific geographical origin. It has a specific geographical origin and it possesses qualities or a reputation that are due to that origin. Okay, for that the origin. The core idea is that it's a link between a product and its place of origin. The unique quality, taste, or characteristics is essentially derived from the geography, the soil, climate, or local artisan skills. Why it matters? It provides an assurance of quality and authenticity for consumers while protecting and boosting the livelihood of local producers. Now the framework behind GI tags. Okay, there are some frameworks or reasons behind GI tag. Global governance, globally governed by the World Intellectual Property Organization, that is WIPO, and WTO's World Trade Organization's TRIPS agreement. Agreement means trade-related intellectual property rights. Indian law in India governed by the Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 and enforced since September 2003. The issuing authority is tags are issued by the Geographical Indication Registry in Chennai under the DPIIT mission, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. There are some key milestones and facts about GI tags. In 2004, first tag Darjeeling tea 2004, and muted gold, validity 10 years, renewable. Okay, there is a national goal for announcing GI tag or indicating GI tags by 2030. Okay, now in Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmir Namda. Kashmir Namda is a thick felted woolen rug made from sheep wool, known for its intricate designs and providing warmth. Okay, then Kashmiri willow bed, a high quality, lightweight and durable cricket bed crafted from the wood of the local willow tree. Then Kashmiri Shikara, the traditional wooden boats of Kashmir, central to tourism and the region's cultural identity. Also awarded Kashmir Gabha, Kashmir Kiwid, Kashmiri Qwell, Kashmir Wagub, and Kashmir Sits. Okay, these are some GI tags in Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir during 2025. Now, Banaras, the legendary Banaras Sehnai, popularized by Ustad Bismillah Khan and the distinctive Banaras tabla from the Purav Gharana have been awarded GI tags protecting their unique craftsmanship. Then Mirat Bigul, a brass trumpet with 200-year legacy dating back to the 1857 revolt, is now protected. Also awarded the Mathura Jari Posak, ornate dresses woven with precious metal threads for deities. Uttar Pradesh leads the nation with the highest number of GI tags, that is 79. Okay, this is from Benares and from okay, these are both from Benares. West Bengal's some GI tags in during 2015-25. Nolan Gurer Sandesh. Okay, a classic Bengali sweet made from fresh sehna, cottage cheese, and Nolan Gur, a special date palm jaggery. And then Darjeeling mandarins, locally known as Sundala. These juicy oranges from the hills of Darjeeling are now GI tagged. Then Radhoni Pagal rice, an aromatic brownish white winter rice rich in iron and zinc. Its name translates to the cook's madness for its intoxicating aroma. Then Nistari silk yarn, a unique variety of Mulberry silk yarn crucial to the India region's textile industry. Also awarded Kamarpurkar, White Bonde, Murshidabad Sanabora, Bishnupur, Motisur Ladu. Okay, these are all from West Bengal getting GI tag in 2025. Now from Northeast India, from Meghalaya, Rindia, an eco-friendly fabric made from Ahimsa silk, where silkworms are not harmed. From Sikkim, the Lepcha communities Tungbuk, a three-string instrument, and Pung Tong Pulit, a bamboo flute. From Arunachal Pradesh, the daf, a traditional handcraft blade used by tribal communities, a symbol of their heritage and unity. These are all from Northeast India, from Meghalaya, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, getting GI tag in 2025. Now from Gujarat, Amalsat Siku, grown in the Navsari district, which produces the majority of India's sikus, known for its distinctively sweet taste and granular texture. It is a third fruit from Gujarat to receive a GI tag, following the Gir Kesar mango and Kasi Kharek dates. Okay, this is from Gujarat, known as Amalsat Sikku. Okay, from Telangana, Warangal Satapata chili, also called tomato chili, for its vibrant red color and low spicy level. Its bright hue comes from high capsicum oleosin content. Then from Andhra Pradesh, Bonduru Khadi, a hand-spun, hand-woven cotton praised by Mahatma Gandhi. Unique feature in a process found nowhere else in the world. The raw cotton is cleaned using the jaw bone of the local Haluga fish. From Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Kerala's first tribal craft, Kanadipaya, a traditional tribal reed bamboo mat with reflective mirror-like patterns. It is the first tribal handicraft from Kerala to receive a GI tag. Tamil Nadu series Hall, Tamil Nadu with the second highest number of GI tags, 74, continues to add to its list with a products ranging from iconic saris to traditional cookware. Okay, recent GI tags, recent elements getting GI tags from Tamil Nadu are Rayur cotton sari, native to Tiruchirappalli, known as for its contrasting woven borders. Then Thuyamalli rice means pure jasmine and aromatic pearl-like rice variety. Kabandapadi Natu Sakkarai, a traditional powered jaggery from the Erode district. Namakkal Kal Chatti, a traditional cookware carved from soft stone prized for even cooking. Amba Samudram Sappu Saman, intricately carved and painted wooden toy craft. Okay, the journey of GI tag does not end with its registration. Let's explore some previously tagged products that have recently returned to the spotlight, reminding us for their enduring significance. Okay, first of all, Rambam Sulai honey from Jammu Kashmir, mentioned in PM Modi's Man Ki Baat. The wild Tulsi honey, GI tag in 2021, is prized for its medicinal properties. Then Tangel Sari, West Bengal, awarded a GI tag in 2024, sparking a cultural debate as Bangladesh, its place of origin, also claims heritage. Kala Namak rice, Uttar Pradesh, known as Buddha's gift. This aromatic rice, GI tag in 2013, is being promoted by the UP government in Buddhist countries. Okay, from the high valleys of Kashmir to the coast of Tamil Nadu, its GI tag is a more than a label. It is a story for place, its people, and their heritage. By protecting these treasures, we preserved India's incredible diversity for the future. Okay, top states getting GI tags in 2020 till 2025. Uttar Pradesh 79 and Tamil Nadu gets 74 GI tags. Okay. Some questions for revision. Which unique material is used to clean the cotton for the GI tag Punduru Khadi, that is Maluga fish jawbon? Question number 2. The left side instruments Tungbuk and Pung Tong Pulit receive GI tags from which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Option B Meghalaya. Option C Sikkim. Right answer is Sikkim. And what is the first tribal handicraft product from Kerala to receive a GI tag? Option A Pondur Khadi, Kanadipara mat, and Rindia silk. Right answer is option B Kanadipara mat. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt or any suggestions regarding our YouTube's videos, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.